Hi guys. So if you're on the Facebook group Junk Journals Down Under, you'll know that I recently started a thread called Crafty Confessions, where I was asking people to share their little crafty confessions, which could be anything. And mine was that I like really ugly fabric. So, really old-fashioned granny style ugly fabric. And I uploaded some pictures of some ugly fabrics that I like. So now I'm going to share another crafty confession, and that is I love chopping up wedding dresses. And nobody but my husband and my kitty cat Clive has seen what we call the snowy mountains here in Australia. And that is my snowy mountains, my white mountain of wedding dresses waiting to be chopped up. So this room, sorry if I make you dizzy, I'll try and move really slow. This room is a spare room. So my kids are both grown up and moved out of home now. So this room was going to become, it's a small room, and it was going to become a guest room or room for the grandkids. But as you can see, the mattress is still on the floor. The bed hasn't been put together. The room's quite empty apart from, I don't want to show you the rest of the room because it's got all my crafty supplies. So I'm slowly taking it over. Anyway, I was lucky enough to meet up with a guy that works at an op shop, and they were trying to get rid of a whole bunch of wedding dresses because they simply just can't sell them, and they were going to actually scrap them. So I'm a big recycler, and I believe use what's out there instead of buying new stuff. For crafts, especially junk journals, because that's what junk journals is about, filling them with junk, incorporating your memories into those junk journals. And so I just said I'd purchase the lot to save them, and I now have this whole big mound of wedding dresses to chop up, and it's like wedding dress heaven. So I'll show you a few. So as you can see, a lot of them, they have the beading, the diamantes. They're absolutely beautiful laces. Some are more modern, but most of them are really old. That's why they can't sell them, because the styles of wedding dresses have just changed. But they're absolutely beautiful, and I can see these being used in shabby chic and vintage style journals. Like, look at that, that's got the little dangles. But in here there's some absolutely beautiful ones. And a lot of them have the hand stitching on the back, so I'm going to have to be really careful how I take them apart. Look at those buttons. So beautiful. It's just a shame to think that these were someone's happy memories one day. Oh, maybe they're bad memories now. But look at those. They're just, like this one's gorgeous, gorgeous. So I've just got them stacked in here on a mattress. I don't know how else to store them, because each dress is so big and puffy that it's really hard to hang them. Like, look at this one. It's all the way down the sleeve. So, so beautiful. Look at that. That's just absolutely gorgeous. Sorry, this room's a bit dark. I've got the blinds shut because the sun is on the windows, and when I open them you can't see anything. But look at the detail on this. The embroidery and the beadwork. So beautiful. All the way down the back. Anyway, I thought I would just share another one of my crafty confessions. So, you know, I like ugly fabric, I like rusty metal bits, I love pulling apart stuff, and I love chopping up wedding dresses. Look at that, that's just so gorgeous. There's one in here, might be down the bottom. There's one in here that actually has crocheted work on it. Can't find it, but anyway, that's it. If you're in Australia, you know what the snowy mountains are, and this is my little version of the snowy mountains. So keep an eye on my little Etsy shop, because I'm going to I've started chopping these up already, and I'm going to start putting some little lace and applique packs on there. And if you've seen my shop, my prices are really, really reasonable, because I really want to encourage people to stop buying craft supplies new and to use what's out there. Look at the bottom of the dresses. So gorgeous. Some of them have beadwork. Anyway, I just love them. So yeah, keep an eye out on my little Etsy store. As I chop them up, I'll put some little packs on there for you, and I'll try and show some of those little packs as well. That's it. If you've got a crafty confession, put it in the comments box below, because I would really love to know if there's other weird people like me out there. I'm sure there are. That's it.